Welcome to Dataddo, the data integration solution that connects any source to any destination. In this video, we'll walk through how to integrate Dataddo with RD Station Marketing. The first step is to access the Dataddo platform. Use your login and password or sign in via Google or Microsoft. Once you're in the platform, click on Authorize. You'll be prompted to connect RD Station Marketing to Dataddo. Follow the authorization steps to complete the connection. Once authorized, you can configure your data extraction. Search for the RD Station connector and go to the appropriate page. You'll see all available reports. Select the report you want to work with. Choose the metrics you'd like to extract. Just a few or all of them. Click Test Data to validate your columns and preview the data. Then proceed to set the extraction frequency. Save your data source and move to the next step, loading the data. You can load your data into a database, a visualization tool, or an application. Use Flow, our data automation feature, to complete the setup. You can rename your extraction, then click your source, your destination, and finally finish. Just like that, your automation has been successfully created within the platform. You also have access to helpful resources like documentation, the Dataddo community, and Dataddo Academy. Once your flow is fully configured, the first data load will begin immediately. Welcome to Dataddo. We hope your experience with RD Station Marketing is a great one. Dataddo, connecting your data with your future success.